Y'all be thinking I be doing some abracadabra, like.
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
Hello from the other side. I must have
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. It is also still Wigmas, so make sure you check out the pinned comment down below to see what the last giveaway is today. Now, I've been waiting all month for this, and finally I can say it is a true sip and slay. Your girl got her one. I mean, y'all know I've been sick all month. I could not get over this joint, but finally I think I'm on the up and up, so bottoms up. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now, for today's beginner-friendly install, we will be styling this wig together. So if you want to see how I got this unit from A to slay, make sure you stay tuned for that and watch the video, okay? Because y'all be, y'all still doing it. You're not getting the same results as me out the pack. Listen, you gotta watch the video and see the styling. This is why I do this. I do it for y'all. Why don't you come? Have a seat, let's style this wig together, okay? But before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This should be fairly easy because it is a curly joint, okay, but you know, the color is a little different. So we're gonna try to clump these curls real nice to get the look that I want. I think I'm going for just pretty much like a throw on and go. It does come with some like little curly edges right here. Can you, come on, focus. I don't think they're doing like the kinky edges look. It honestly just looks like sparse hair around the hairline. So I don't think that was on purpose. I don't think Nadula, I don't know. But y'all know me, I'm gonna go ahead and push that on back and we're gonna see what that hairline is looking like once I put her on. The heck is that? What is that? Okay, I have some lint in my wig. So let me first cut off the lace in the back. Somebody had asked me what to do with the lace in the back. You cut it off, okay? You don't keep that on your wig. I mean, if you do, then you know, more power to you, but I don't. It does come with the elastic band and it has the hooks in the wig as well, which means you're supposed to have an elastic band. So if you don't get one in your packaging, contact Nadula. Nadula, go ahead and give everybody an elastic band, okay? If it's supposed to be in there, put it in there, okay? I'm not gonna put any type of powder on my lace just yet because I want to see how this blends down without it. Looks pretty good so far. Out the pack, this is what we're sitting like, okay? To the side and then to the back. And I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna get my wig to look a little bit fuller than this because it looks thin, okay? It looks real thin. I'm pretty sure this is their normal 150 density. Y'all be thinking I be doing some abracadabra, like. This is why I show you guys the beginning to end, A to slay, because I want y'all to see exactly what I'm doing. The curls are very, very tight, so I feel like they will clump together really nicely. The hairline is looking, it's looking okay. Because I won't be doing a set part or a set hairline, I don't think I need to pull anything out, but we're gonna look at it once I cut this lace off. Let me just go ahead and get my claw clip. Honestly, for the curly wig, I can work with this, okay? I don't need to pull anything out necessarily. I mean, I could go right here a little bit, but again, it's not necessary. The sides are looking okay for the look that I want. I'm gonna be wearing the hair all out anyway and just kind of, you know, make it bigger. First, I need to cut this lace off, like so. Cut it in 3 sections, and then you're gonna use your razor or your scissors to get up close to that hairline. Okay, I want to make sure that you guys understand what it is that I am doing. This is supposed to be an easy beginner-friendly install. All you're doing is focusing on clumping the curls. I didn't cut my ear tabs off. What's with me forgetting to do that? This fits pretty good. It has a good stretch to it too. Now I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse. This is what I use to mold my hairline as well as to clump my curls. I've also used the Esha Daily Edge mousse. If you still have that, this one is also a good one if you wanna clump your curls as well. But I was running low on this one and y'all had actually sold this one out on Amazon. So I didn't wanna keep using it, so that's why I started back with my Nairobi and we've been sitting with her ever since. Take my glasses off. Ooh, this one hair just keeps wanna pop down in my daggone face. Where are you at? I need some more. Get the hairline together, swish it around, move it in circles. They sent me a band, so we're gonna use that. Bring all the hairs back, and we're gonna tie it down like so. And that's it for the hairline, y'all. Yes. Okay, so as you can see, I did not wash this hair and I did not give her a home bath. Okay, that was my mistake because I was so excited to show you guys what the hair was looking like. So I'm gonna use my dry shampoo and my water to give her a little spritzing, okay, to get this smell out because she is gathering around my face. When I use the dry shampoo like this, I get heavy-handed, so I gotta be careful. I be pressing on it too hard and putting too much. Rub it all in, use your spray bottle, wet the hair. All right, there's that. Wet this some more, because the ends are a little scraggly. Take my Felicia Leatherwood brush and just comb through this hair. Oh, that was, that was pretty easy, okay. The more slick your hair or, you know, damp or wet your hair is, it'll comb through a lot easier. I wanted to show you guys how big the hair can get so you know exactly what to expect. I'll do this side without the brushing through. Did get some shedding with this unit, but I expect it because it is a curly unit and the curls are pretty tight. So if we can get this big brushed out, it can definitely get this big while it's curled. You just gotta diffuse it and pick it and fluff it. But in order to do that, I gotta use my mousse to get my curls defined. Comb it on through. And get some water under here. Saturate the curls. Get them clumped together. Twist it around your finger. Get them curls even more defined. Clump them like this. Y'all see how I did that? Clump your ends, scrunch it up, like so. Now this side, I'm just going to spray it down. And then I'm gonna take my mousse, put it all over. So doing it this way, I will need to detangle the hair while I'm defining the hair. Okay, it's going pretty good right now. Pretty easy. Got a little snag back there. Let's work that out. This hair is drinking up this product. I will say that for sure. Clump them together like this. Clump your roots as well. Think we're about done with the clumping. Scrunch it up. So let me go ahead and diffuse it and then we will come back and style it together. Okay, be right back. Alright, so we have diffused the hair, did our makeup. Now let's go ahead and style this wig. I need to pick it first. Where's my pick? So we're gonna pick it from the root. Still a little damp, so I'm not gonna go too hard with the picking yet. Go under, like that. Now I did let the hair air dry while I did my makeup, but my hair is a little like crunchy stiff, but after I pick it and go in and blow dry it a little bit more, it'll soften up. That's because I had to use a lot of product on this hair. Pick and scrunch. See how big this got? And it can only get bigger. Use your tools, okay? Your pick, your blow dryer, your diffuser, your detangler brush. Fluff, fluff. The hair is softening up. Let's take off the wrap. And I didn't do no plucking. It is fitting big head friendly based on the cap size. It comes down right on my sides, okay? Like a perfect fit. And it does fit around my head. It is pretty loose. So I'm gonna put on my wig grip. Move it back a little bit. All right, fluff it back up. This one is not how I want it to be. Let me break that apart. I'm just gonna cut it. Fix my end, like so. There we go. All right, so now I'm gonna take off my diffuser and I'm gonna blow dry the hair on warm and high. Now sometimes I do it on high and cool, but doing it on warm and high will break up some of that product a little bit and soften up the hair. And you're still able to kind of mold the shape while the hair is hot, okay? So that's why I did that. Fluff and fluff and fluff and fluff. Use a little bit of my contour around my edges to blend that in. Ooh, Shakira, Shakira. Y'all, she is definitely giving like the most, and I'm here for it, okay? The curls are definitely tight ringlets. To be honest, I didn't realize this was Kinky Curly. I thought it was just like a curly unit because it's not like super, the texture is not feeling Kinky Curly, but I know some brands' version of Kinky Curly is more of like a looser texture. This is definitely giving off more ringlet vibes, and you know, I'm not mad at that. The hair color is gorgeous. Let's be honest, it is a selling point for this wig, okay? So if you want to step out into the new year with some blonde tendrils, listen. She cute. I feel like she would look even better in an up style. Y'all know I'm gonna do it. Y'all know I'm gonna do it. Okay. I could definitely do a half up, half down if I wanted to. That would be cute too. I just want to show you guys how easy it is to do a ponytail with your curly wigs. Take my bow here. I'm just gonna wrap it around once. Okay, just like that. One time. And get my bobby pins. Pull the hairs down like this. I'm gonna pin it to the back of my wig grip like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull my sides down, end it up right there. Make sure she gonna stay. Scooch down. I want it to be extra tight. I'll just tighten it down like this. Tight, 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 like that. Okay, okay, tighten it down in the back. Fluff it up. Take that off. Bring some of those hairs down in the back. And there we go with that. The curly wigs are definitely a lot more forgiving, so you can hide a lot of your edges or your hairline with these wigs. What we thinking, y'all? I like it. Okay, she's cute, y'all. I think the bigger she gets, the better she will look, in my opinion. I just want to kind of relax the curls a little bit. They're a little bit too tight. I did have some shedding and tangling with this unit, but nothing crazy. And for this price point, you're pretty much paying for the color. It's not giving you bleach knots or a heavy plucked hairline. I mean, it gives you a natural looking starter pack for the hairline. Y'all see, I didn't do nothing to mine. You're pretty much paying that coin for this color. So yeah, be mindful of that. It's a new year. It's time to start a new roster. Okay, so some of y'all may want to add Mrs. Moneybags. I don't know. I mean, what a better way to end the year. Thank you. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.